So you just finished washing your car. Planning to go out for a car meet or for a Sunday drive. You thought it's all perfect, but you notice watermarks on your glass. We'll fix that in a minute. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we have two products here that we can use to remove the watermarks. First is the fine steel wool. You can buy this in your local Harbor Freight. You can use this to wipe off the watermark effectively, but expect to use a lot of elbow grease. Second product is the cerium oxide, a glass polish. Will remove watermarks and possibly light scratches. We'll include links on the description below. So we will need is the glass polish, measuring spoon, cup, and water. Open up your polish powder. So the recommended ratio is 4:1. So 4 part powder and 1 part water. And then mix. If you're not satisfied with the mixture, you can always add more water. Here's the polishing set for the drill that we bought. Also gonna give the link in the description. You can do it inside your garage, but I would prefer you do it outside because it's gonna be messy. Install painter's tape on the edges. You can spray some water before working on it, totally up to you. Just make sure the compound will always be lubricated so it won't get hot. Put some compound on your pad and start polishing. Check your work every pass, maybe do 1 to 2 depending on the watermark hardness. Then when you're satisfied with your work, you can rinse it. I would prefer you wash it with soap too. Wipe it and check if there's still some watermarks. Now do the rest. I would prefer giving it a car wash after. What do you guys think? Let's hear it in the comment section. If this helped, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.